Hello guys, welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. I've got interesting gist for you today. If this is your first time of viewing my video, please don't fail to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get notified when a new video drops. Let me take you through what's going on in the Nigerian entertainment industry today. The big one, Grammy winner Burna Boy allegedly beaten to stupor by Obafemi Martin's boys at a Lagos nightclub last night. Speed Darlington laments over constant begging by hotel workers in Abuja. Reality star Uriel asks people to judge her by her deeds and not how she dresses. TB Joshua burial arrangements announced. Before we get to the main gist of the day, stay with me as I take you through this gist about Speed Darlington. US-based Nigerian rapper Speed Darlington has bitterly lamented over the incessant begging by Nigerian hotel workers for tips. Speed Darlington, who has returned to Nigeria for a vacation, decided to lodge in a hotel during his stay in the capital, Abuja. But he has expressed disdain over the fact that workers of the hotel always want some money anytime they come into his room, as he claims he hates it. According to him, he has not built his house yet, but hotel workers want him to pay for almost everything because he came from overseas, and in a video shared on Instagram, he was asking for change so he can get lesser dominations. Watch the video.
I'm looking for change, for real. 200 naira change, 200 naira change. All these hotel workers, nah man. Mgbe ọbụla ewetara mmadụ mmiri adachie nga ego, like go off, bro. I haven't built a house. What do you think? Because I come from overseas. I pay for my water. Every time person brings something, I give money. I hate that shit, bro. Bring change, bro. Every time I use a million or coke, that's your change. Everybody make it like that. Madam. Now bring my change.
Moving on, reality TV star Uriel asks people to judge her by her deeds and not how she dresses. BB Naija star Uriel Oputa has asked critics never to judge her by how she dresses. According to her, they should judge her by her deeds. And she made this known in a recent post she made on a verified social media handle on the popular social media platform Instagram. The post she made reads, "Don't box me, I am not my clothes. Judge by deeds, not by what the eyes feeds." I know some souls who wear long coats, but to give 15 naira is a problem. Oh, and jealousy na their body wash. Just be open-minded, love knows no garments. She went further to post another saying, "Please, if I post bikini picture or even a video wearing shorts, etc., don't say Uriel is no longer a good girl. 1. I am a bloody woman. 2. Even people who dey wear long skirts will be the most evil. 3. If you judge people by their outward appearance, then you are not exposed. I have learned to live by my own experience, not by the expectations of others." This post by Uriel attracted so many comments from fans and critics. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Yeah, to the big story of the day. Grammy winner Burna Boy allegedly beaten to stupor by Obafemi Martin's boys at the Lagos club last night. Reports coming in says the multi-award winning artist and Nigerian superstar Burna Boy has been beaten to stupor by the boys of Nigerian footballer Obafemi Martins at a club in Lagos yesterday. The news was shared by popular Nigerian blogger Kuti Jules, who shared the photos of Burna Boy and Obafemi Martins on his page. According to the blogger, Burna Boy received serious slaps from one of the boys of Obafemi Martins during the raves, which resulted in a clash. It is reported that Burna Boy, his crew, and Wizkid went to the club to have fun when they clashed with the boys of Obafemi Martins. It is alleged that the slaps and fist fights were serious, that some of the club attendees came in to separate the fight. In Kuti's words, she wrote on her page, "Last night was total violence at Club Victoria in Lagos as one of Obafemi Martins' boys landed dirty slaps on Burna Boy's face. From our confirmed sources, the singer was beaten to stupor. It took some kind club attendants to save the situation by calming Oba's boys, who appeared to be ready to beat the whole of Burna Boy's boys who accompanied him to the club." It will be recorded that couple of months ago, we reported how Burna disrespected Obafemi at a nightclub in Lagos, where one of Burna's boys landed Oba a slap. Last night, during the revenge slapping episode, Wizkid, who was partying with Burna Boy and co, quickly jacked back from the scene as it started getting more violence with slaps flying left and right. Stay tuned for more updates. So guys, what do you think about this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Lastly, TB Joshua burial arrangements announced. TB Joshua will be laid to rest at the Synagogue Church, TB Joshua Ministries revealed. A statement concerning the funeral arrangements of the founder of the Synagogue Church of All Nations has been released by TB Joshua Ministry. The statement reveals that there will be a week-long service of songs from Monday, July 5th to July 11th. It also adds that the deceased founder will be laid to rest at the premises of the Synagogue Church of All Nations in Lagos. The statement reads, "Special announcement, good morning and win today. Dear SCOAN and Emmanuel TV family all over the world, we appreciate your continued prayers, love, and support. We know you are aware that our father in the Lord, Prophet TB Joshua, has been taken home to be with the Lord. We want to assure you that nothing will stop the work of God at the SCOAN from moving on. Prophet TB Joshua may be absent in the body, but he is present in the spirit. Indeed, God is even more powerful at distance." We are currently preparing for the week-long service from Monday 5th to Sunday 11th July 2021 in honor of Prophet TB Joshua's life and legacy. We will be laid to rest at the Synagogue Church of All Nations in Lagos, Nigeria. All services will be broadcasted live on Emmanuel TV. The services will be open to public, will be communicated to you at the appropriate time. As our Father in the Lord, Prophet TB Joshua says, "When we close our eyes to all things in this world, we shall open them in a world of glory." Emmanuel, God is with us. It is no news that the clergyman died on June 5th and the general mass continue to mourn his demise. Meanwhile, the family has announced recently that TB Joshua will be buried on July 9th. So guys, these are the stories I have for you today. Thanks for staying tuned. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment below, and also if you're a first time viewer, please don't fail to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video drops. Thanks for watching and stay blessed.